All right, guys, this is my very first actual video working on a car. All right, I've never uploaded a car video yet. This is my sister's 2004 Buick Rendezvous with a 3.6 motor. And I looked at like 5 guys' videos to see how you take this thermostat out. Well, every one of those guys' videos said to take this throttle body off. Take this hose off. Okay. All right. And take this box off, that contains your air filter. So I did that. And I asked Google Jimmy now, is it necessary to actually remove the throttle body? No, it's not necessary. Okay. I'm an experienced mechanic. I was a mechanic in the Army, so we had to remove engines from APCs that were practically bigger than a damn Volkswagen back in the day. And we had this one boat that you couldn't get to. You had to feel for it. If you was a mechanic in the Army, you can testify to this and say, oh yeah, I remember that damn boat. Well, it took 30 minutes to get that boat out and you couldn't see it. You had to crawl down into the driver's compartment and reach for it. But anyway, we're gonna just go here with this video. So Google Jim and I said, nope, just the top boat is gonna be easy to get to. No problem. Top boat. It's kind of hard to see it, but